You're scared. Not stressed, not worried, but scared. There's a part of you that thinks that everything could fall apart. You could lose your job, lose your safety, lose the ground under your feet. And your mind keeps on playing the movie called worst case scenario over and over. This meditation isn't here to deny that fear. It's here to stop it from owning your nervous system. Now please sit back. Let your shoulders drop. You don't need to fix anything right now. You only need to sit through this breath. Inhale slowly through the nose. Hold it. And exhale like you're letting air out of a car tire. Again. Inhale. Hold it. And slowly exhale. Your fear lives in the future, but your body lives here in the now. And right now, in this second, you're breathing. You're seated. Most importantly, you're alive. Nothing is collapsing in this exact moment, and let that sink in. Now breathe again. Notice where the fear sits in your body. Is your chest tight? Is your stomach turning? Is your jaw clenched? If so, don't fight it. Just speak to the fear quietly in your mind and say, I see you. Fear gets louder when ignored, but it softens when witnessed. Stay with the sensation. You're not trying to escape it. You're letting your body learn that fear can exist without controlling you. Now please inhale again. And slowly exhale. Your brain is trying to protect you. That's what catastrophic thinking is. A guard dog that never learned when to rest. You can thank it and silently say, thank you for trying to protect me. You can stand down now. The future is not happening right now. It's just the thought. It's a projection, a mental rehearsal. Let the next breath be deeper. And now we will begin with the affirmations. After you exhale, just remember, grounded statements, or affirmations as we call them, they teach your system stability. They're not fantasy and they're not denial. Repeat slowly after me. I can face uncertainty without breaking. Fear is loud, but it is not a prophecy. I have survived financial fear before. I'm still here. My life is bigger than my worst case scenario. I meet the future one step at a time. Panic is not preparation. Calm is preparation. I can act without terror. I can plan without collapsing. I trust my ability to respond when needed. I do not have to solve tomorrow tonight. Now please breathe again. Let each line sink below the surface. Fear wants speed. Calm wants space. You're choosing space. Notice the chair or the floor supporting you, the air touching your skin. Reality is holding you, not the imagined future. If your mind jumps ahead again, gently bring it back with one sentence. Right now, I am safe enough to breathe. Say that. Say it out loud. Right now, I am safe enough to breathe. That's not a lifetime promise. It's a present truth. And the present truth is where power lives. Let your body soften a little more. You don't have to eliminate fear to live well. You only need to stop feeding it your entire nervous system. You're allowed to be afraid and steady at the same time. Stay here for a few final breaths with me. Inhale and exhale. Feel the space you created. That is what resilience feels like. Not the absence of fear, but the ability to sit inside it without drowning. When you're ready, gently open your eyes and carry this pace with you. The future will arrive in pieces, and you will meet each piece. But as the person sitting here right now, the person who is breathing, the person who is aware, the person who isn't collapsing, you are stronger than the worst case scenario movie in your head. Remember that.